My name's Andrew Dorfman. I joined the wellness program because of issues that all 58-year-old men struggle with. I was tired, a little overweight, joints ached. I actually have a thyroid issue, lack of motivation, which would probably be one of the biggest ones. Brain fog. I would reach for memories and they just weren't there, which was a huge frustration. A lot of the challenges that I had were frustrating because I just wasn't able to accomplish what I wanted to accomplish in a normal day. I didn't get up the way I wanted to. I wasn't motivated the way I wanted to. My body didn't feel the way I needed to. I definitely had a loss of strength. My wife and I live on a small farm, and every day you got to get up and take care of the animals. And some days I just didn't feel I could do it. And my wife had to do some of the chores that I needed to do. And that's why I joined. I think the main goals that I wanted to achieve when I was started was to feel the way I did when I was 35. Now, granted, we can't turn back time, but through supplements and different hormones, we can at least get the body going. And hormones and supplements don't help alone. You also have to change your mindset and get motivated. She was able to help me with different supplements and hormones to truly get me on track to start feeling better as I have. It happened a couple of days ago. I happened to be talking with my wife and she asked me a question and I retrieved what she was asking me about quicker than I normally do. And I didn't struggle with it. And I actually thought to myself, maybe the supplements are working and helping some of that brain fog release, along with my joints feel better. I'm actually starting to work out. I've actually been waking up in the morning feeling good. As it used to take me a half hour, 45 minutes just to get out of bed. But now I'm up and starting my day feeling better than I did before I started. Well, besides the fact that I think I have a wonderful rapport with Dr. Weddle and her staff, Dr. Weddle has called a couple times. How many doctors actually call once you start just to check in and say, hey, we did this therapy or we did this hormone. How do you feel? How's it going? When I come in for my checkups, Emily and the other staff actually say, are you working out? Have you done what needed to be? And push you a little bit, which sometimes you need. You just need a little support in the fact that you want to know that somebody actually cares. And that's helped. It's more than just you go to the doctor and they go, okay, well, try this, see if this medicine works. And, 6 months later, you see the doctor, they actually call and give you support. So to speak to whether I would recommend the wellness program or not, I think depends on the person who we're talking to. You have to be motivated and want to get there. The Wellness Center has really helped me start on my journey to feeling better and getting there. If you really want to feel better and you want to get some of the memories back and work on that, then I would suggest that you do join. But if you think that just by the supplements or the hormones you're going to get there, you're not. You also have to come here with a positive attitude, ready to actually get to where you need to get to. I know that there's a struggle out there, especially of men my age, getting ready to turn 60. And we all have struggles. Our bodies aren't what we used to. We can't perform the way we used to. We've been not as good in sports and athletic. And we don't talk about it. We've been told not to talk about it. But the truth is, we all struggle. And sometimes we need help. The wellness group has really helped me get on my journey to starting feeling better about not only myself, but my body, my relationship with my wife and coworkers and everything else.